Selling on Amazon sounds tough? Not if you follow these easy steps. First, create an Amazon seller account. Just head over to sellercentral.amazon.com and sign up. Next, choose your selling plan. Individual or professional. If you're selling fewer than 40 items a month, go individual. More than 40? Professional is your best bet. Now, list your products. Fill in the details like product name, category, and price. And don't forget high-quality photos. Customers love to see what they're buying. Set up your shipping options. You can ship products yourself or let Amazon handle it with FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. FBA takes care of storage, packing, and shipping for you. Finally, monitor your sales and customer feedback in Seller Central. Keep an eye on inventory and respond to customer inquiries quickly. And there you have it. Selling on Amazon made easy. Now go turn those products into profits. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. For a resource on finding wholesale suppliers, check the link in the description.